welcome back to Food Friday. Today we'll be making smoothie bowls. So especially in the summertime, smoothie bowls are a great way to get a lot of nutrition in. You can use up bits of things that might be going bad too, so it minimizes your food waste. And it's so nice and cooling, and it's even hydrating. You can get some fluid in by blending in lots of hydrating ingredients. So you can make your own at home, and you can make it with lots of different ingredients. So we'll talk about some of that today. We're going to put in any kind of milk that you like to use. And then we just have some frozen banana, and I like to freeze my bananas in really small chunks so I can just use as little or as much as I want. And then this is frozen chopped spinach, and I like to buy frozen, that way I'm not wasting any, and if I just keep it in my freezer, it helps to add cool iced ingredients. That way it makes it nice and thick. So here we have some different seeds. These are chia seeds and hemp seeds, and they add a lot of nutrition. So they pack in lots of healthy fats, phytochemicals from the plants, and vitamins and minerals. Also, chia seeds are very hydrating. They soak up a lot of water, and so they can lend a creamy consistency when they've soaked up some water. And this is our protein powder. I like to use a plant protein, such as pea protein powder. And then we're just going to top it off with some different nuts and some blackberries.